dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin. Come with Timmy, say hooray! Let's have fun and learn to play. On the board where dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin.
Hello, friends. I'm so happy to see you. Today we have a very interesting topic. What does check to the king mean in chess? And how can we defend against it? Let's go and find our kings and ask them. Hello, White King. Hello, Black King. Today our little friends want to learn what check means. Can you explain?
Of course, Timmy. Let's start with me. Check is when another chess piece points right at me and says, "Watch out, King, I can catch you next move." That means I am in danger and I must be very careful. Look, let me show you how it happens. To explain it even better, let's invite the Black Rook. Hello, Black Rook. Show us how you can give me check.
Of course, White King. I move straight along the board, and when I come close to you, that is check.
Oh, now you see, children, the Black Rook is pointing at me. That means I am in check. What can I do? You ask? Let me show you. First, I can simply step away to a safe square. Second, one of my friends can stand in front of me to block the rook's attack. Let's invite the White Rook to show how this works. See, now the Black Rook cannot reach me because my White Rook is bravely protecting me. And third, another one of my brave pieces can catch the Rook to stop the check. Let's ask the White Knight to help us.
Hello, White King. Hello, Black Rook. Sorry, but I will have to capture you.
Well done, White Knight. Now the danger is gone and I am safe again. See, children? Check is not the end. It only means the king must act right away. And now, my friends, let's invite the Black King. He can also show you how he saves himself from check. Thank you, White King. Yes, I can also be in check. Let me show you how it happens so you can see with your own eyes and understand it better. Let's invite the White Rook to help us so she can show how this works. Oh, the White Rook is checking me. But don't worry, children. I have ways to defend myself too. First, just like the White King showed you, I can step aside to a safe square. Second, one of my friends can stand in front of me to block the rook's attack. Let's ask the Black Bishop to help me. Oh, hello, Black Bishop. Please save me from this check. Wonderful. Now the rook can't reach me because my bishop is standing bravely in the way. And third, one of my brave friends can capture the piece that gave me check. This time, let's ask the Black Bishop again. Thank you, Black Bishop. Now the danger is gone and I am safe again. And now you know, children, there are always different ways to protect the king.
Thank you, White King. Thank you, Black King. You explained everything so wonderfully.
And you kids listened so carefully and so well. That's why today we invite you to the chess carousels. Come with us. It's going to be great fun.
On our board so bright and clear, we gather here with joy and cheer. pawns blow trumpets loud and sweet. A happy day is ours to meet. Kings and queens and rooks so bold, stories of chess are bright and told. Come along and learn to play in our fun chess land today.